If your MacBook Neo battery is draining so fast, even when you're not using it, don't worry. This is pretty common and easy to fix with a few simple tweaks. First, one of the biggest reasons, leaving the lid open after you're done. Even if you think it's idle, it's still using power, so always close the lid when you're not using it. Next, background apps. Too many open apps and windows can quietly drain your battery. Click on the Apple logo, go to Force Quit, select the apps you don't need and close them. You can take it a step further. Open Spotlight Search, go to Activity Monitor, and under the CPU tab, check what's consuming the most power. Select those processes and hit the Stop button. Another important setting is Screen Timeout. Go to Settings, scroll down to Lock Screen, and reduce the Turn Display Off on battery when in active time. Do the same for when it's connected to a power adapter. Now, let's talk about brightness. Go to Display Settings, lower the brightness, especially when you're indoors, and turn off Auto Brightness if needed. You can also switch to Dark Mode from Appearance Settings, which helps save some battery. Moving on to battery settings, go to Settings, then Battery, and choose the most efficient low-power mode based on your usage. Then go into Options, turn on Slightly dim the display on battery. Turn off Prevent automatic sleeping to save more power. Adjust Wake for network access based on how often you actually need it. And don't forget to turn on Optimize video streaming. Finally, your charging habits matter. Don't wait for the battery to fully drain. It's better to plug it in when it drops to around 50%. And always try to use the original charger and cable for the best performance. These small changes can make a big difference in your battery life. Thanks for your time.